in the car is noise complaint.
Alright. Well, you definitely get noise complaint on them doors.
Use discount code JacobViral when you shop at Down for Sound, SkyHigh Car Audio, and others.
There's no drawn out.
Correct. The speakers are clear, the subs are everything. You did all this?
This is all me, yeah.
Wow, nice job.
Yeah, this is actually a Johnny Pappy built enclosure.
Okay.
But I did all the doors and everything. Sorrentino did the wiring.
Okay.
But TCP, Team Sundown.
Yeah, nice. So your name and what's in here, go for it.
Blane Hastings.
Okay.
Team TCP, Liberty Base Shop.
Alright.
We got the new Neo Pro V412s in the door. We got 3 in each door with 2 BTR1s in each door.
Yeah.
We got the NSV6 15s, and those are powered by 2 Salt 8Ks wired at 1 ohm.
Okay.
And I only have a SFB 500.4 on the door.
Yeah.
We got a Singer alternator.
Okay. Wow.
We got a Mike Singer 320 alternator in here.
Nice.
And in the back, behind me.
Yeah, I'll go look.
Yeah, looks like a stunt boat. Oh no, you might not be able to stick the camera down there, but behind this 8K is a 90 amp hour C-Max.
Yeah, I see it. I see the wire. Yeah. Okay. And these are at 2 subs?
One per 2, yes.
Okay.
At 1 ohm.
Wow. Looks really good. Appreciate it, man.
No, thank you.
Awesome.
Man.
And you're a Mini Trucker 88.
Mini Trucker 88 on YouTube, baby. The
All
name
right.
of the car is Noise Complaint.
All right. Well, you definitely get noise complaint on them doors. Wow. Those are some really big door speakers.
Yeah, those are the Neo Pro V412. NSV6.
Yep.
She's loud.
Oh yeah.
You want some door action?
No, no.
I don't blame you.
These niggas tryna test my gangster. Why you think they hate Lil Screw so much? Cause I was the one who spanked him. Shot his cuz, shot his man, shot his friends, even shot his brother. Sorry God, I'm going to hell. I know I'm a bloody motherfucker. Nigga, come get your bitch, she on my dick and I don't even wanna fuck her. Half of the game done ran through the bitch. The fuck I look like, wanna touch her. I want a ratchet bitch, want a classy woman who act like my mother. Fucking all the guys who want me to cuff the fuck. I look like a sucker. Bang the tease for tink, you disrespect. We hit your street just for the book. I toss a beat, nigga, fuck the ops, we make them bleed. We hit the 5, then hit 15th. We hit the 1, then hit 13th. They ain't outside, we spend 19th. And it's a few I want out east, bitch. Won't never stop for the cops, it's high-speed chase. I'm tight till bro, keep going. I got a switch on the back of my Glock. When I squeeze one time, this bitch keep going. We take this shit, I'm good trying to slide your ass. I know what the fuck you doing. Hit it on the left. Show my aim, the good trying to slide your ass. I know what the fuck you doing. Hit it on the left. Show my aim to prove my route. Ain't got nobody come catch you ahead and prove it. Top Drake's AR piece. Lose the break the extra clip when I go slam. I love shooting them. New niggas come. Yeah. Action like let loose like a nigga had to pull on God and Memphis who bigger than me. Let loose like a nigga had to pull on God and Memphis who bigger than me. Shit that they did, I did at 16. He flexing his money, we know that he broke. Nigga, I'm out and at least so cold. Keep pressing by the girl that fucking they did, I did at 16. He flexing his money, we know that he broke. Nigga, I'm out and at least so cold. Keep pressing by the girl that fucking the city, he tingle. We got him, did it. Not the way that big, I'm something like pussy. Prove it, don't shoot for me, cause I'm the young nigga who do all the shit. I see an op on camera, I can't even spare him. Ask Lord, he know why I know that. Niggas see my op and they get off. I'm taking his guns and fuck shit he used. And niggas be talking about my ain't got nobody come catch you ahead and prove it. Top Drake's AR piece. Lose the break the extra clip when I go slam. I love shooting them. New niggas come around me, try to shock, get your hands out your pocket and stop all that moving. Nigga better stop all that moving. Niggas try to rob me, you see this chop on me, I'll up this bitch and shoot it. If I can't reach my gun and ace right there, I know the buzz gon' do it. Real street niggas long as lead tough, shut up. Born like a kite. Finale, finito. Action like let loose like a nigga had to pull on God and Memphis who bigger than me. Shit that they did, I did at 16. He flexing his money, we know that he broke. Nigga, I'm out and at least so cold. Keep pressing by the girl that fucking the city, he tingle. We got him, did it. Not the way that big, I'm something like pussy. This shit gets sticky, got me in that mode. I'm playing, no glitching, I'm back. Nigga like I had an addiction. Dropped him, let's go. Ooh, he couldn't take those now. Switches in Draco. Yeah, the hold your breath like an ammo bomb. Move like the pole. 100 some shots in the ghost. Better think twice on the pros. No regular Glocks. Know that it came with a box. We step like shoes and socks. One of the realest, I can you not mention. We slid out the Civic, not Rolls Royce whipping.
Man, that is clean loud. Like the speakers, everything.
There's no drawn out.
Correct. The speakers are clear, the subs are everything. You did all this?
This is all me, yeah.
Wow, nice job.
Yeah, this is